Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to when mukbangs don't go as planned, fails. Okay, so this is, I think this channel is T-Bong, but yeah, I watch some mukbangs, but I don't watch that many I probably don't know anyone in this video, but yeah, I don't know what can go wrong. Aren't you just supposed to be eating? I've seen some other videos, like people doing the most. But mukbangs, aren't they just supposed to be for eating? I don't know how you could fail at eating. But anyway, let's get into this video. And please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. Oh yeah, T-Bong. Alright, fair use disclaimer. Okay, some lo-fi. And subscribe to them, y'all. And me. Hey guys, before we get started, here's the disclaimer. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do not send hate to anyone shown in this video, and as it is not intended. I also post about myself on Instagram. Okay, so y'all just watch the video. If you don't like someone, then go sleep. Don't bother them. Stop bothering people. Okay, Tasty Hoon trying new things. Okay, cotton candy machine, and he put that lemon iced tea in it. But isn't cotton candy just sugar? Iced tea is tea plus sugar, so I don't think it's gonna work. Because what's gonna happen to the tea? It's gonna burn, no? I don't know. There's no thread. But at least he put like something of a powder, like a tea plus sugar. At least he didn't do something dumb, like something solid or something crazy like that. But this is like a reasonable mistake or reasonable fail. Like maybe he's just testing it out to get like a lemon iced tea flavored cotton candy, but I don't think it's gonna work because it has tea powder. But at least it's something reasonable and not something dumb that would probably not work at all. But yeah, cotton candy is just sugar, like 100% sugar. So yeah, I think that's the tea flying out. Burnt tea. Uh-oh. I think it's caramelizing the tea. And I'm surprised he posted this if it wasn't working. Don't people usually like scrap their videos that didn't come out right/well? Now it's burning. Oh. Dang, it stopped spinning too. I think the sugar just melted and stopped it. Okay, so are all these Korean mukbangers? Maybe. Let's continue. And also, what are they eating? Oh, it says it right there. Seaweed challenge. Let's continue. Is it sour?
I don't know about y'all, but this shit.
Is it sour or spicy? Maybe it's spicy. Like wasabi. Wasabi seaweed? I don't know.
A few minutes later.
Hello. Hi.
I think she's kind of over exaggerating, but is it spicy? I'm guessing it's spicy.
He's just standing there.
His eyes are like kind of watering though. Okay, jjajangmyeon. It looks like jjajangmyeon with chicken. Is that Popeyes? KFC? I don't know. She doesn't know how to use chopsticks. It's better than nothing. That looks like she made the chapaghetti jjajangmyeon mix thingy. She needs to practice off camera sometimes. Also, I don't understand with mukbangs, like, why do they not wipe their mouths? Like, I don't know. I guess for me, like when I eat, I use a lot of napkins, but that's because I don't want my mouth to look like that, especially in public when you're eating. But she's on camera, so this is forever. But I guess people that watch mukbangs don't really care. But yeah, so far these people I've never seen. I don't know who this guy is again. Ooh, that looks good. Fish. Wait, what kind of fish? Godungo. Is it hot? Or does he just always eat like that? No, that's not burnt. It's flavor. Ooh, with the rice. That's how they grill the fish in in Korea. That's what it looks like. And it doesn't taste burnt. It tastes good.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I could never eat raw fish. That looks raw. I couldn't. I don't eat sushi. Okay, some mukbangers also overreact to the food they're eating because I'm pretty sure it doesn't taste that good. Like sometimes I see people eating stuff and it's like, is it really that good? Or are you just acting for the camera? That's why I can't watch too many mukbangers because they do the most sometimes. And I just want to see you eat or talk or both. I don't want my mukbangers to be extra. Because I couldn't eat with anyone extra in real life. Doing the most. Imagine eating with someone that acted the same way in person. Like, I couldn't. But anyway, I guess those weren't that big of a fail that I thought it was going to be. But I guess there's probably worse, but those are the ones that they could find for this video. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI V. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.